My husband said he loved this color, so this is a color that I got. Yeah, so it's really good. I gotta tell.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
With my husband. You will have a choice? No. Home sweet home. Finally some sunshine and some warmth. Feels so damn good to be home. Where I am happy. On the skin. There's no place like home. So I made it home in one piece. I was really tired and I had some things to do otherwise before I got home, but I did manage to come home, get some fish. May I cook something up real quick, and I decided I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking in my kitchen today. So that is what's for dinner. Right now, if you want me to show you how I make this recipe, comment down below and let me know if you want to see how I make it. That's fish, right? I'm going to put a couple of other fish recipes that I have in the description box, but if you want to see how I made this particular one, just let me know. Of course, it's a veggie day, so I'm going to just add some EVO on that and work that in. I'm going to put this on a plate with some fish, and that's going to be my husband's dinner today. I want to let you see how I decorate my dish, alright? Because it's all about presentation, you know. So I'm going to show you how to finish up this. So that is how I do it in my kitchen. And that's how hubby is going to eat today. See? I stuffed that fish really good with that onion and red peppers and green peppers and scallion and garlic. Real good. Stuff that fish. If you want to see how I make this recipe, just let me know. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of decor. And that right there is husband's dinner. Fish. This is called, this is what they call strongman food. See that? That's how my husband eats every day. Just let me know if you want me to make this recipe. I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright? Alright guys, that's it for now. Thumbs up, like, share. Let me know what you want to see me cooking next in my kitchen. I'm going to put a link down below so you could send your Facebook requests. Alright? Talk to you later. Bye. Come on to me. Come over here and perform for me. Come on to me.